Here's a question most people never consider. What if the secret to building stronger muscles, better balance, and a pain-free body wasn't found in the gym at all? Not in the weights, not in the cardio machines, not even in the movement itself. It's called isometric training, and while it looks deceptively simple, what happens beneath the surface is extraordinary. These exercises activate deep stabilizer muscles, the ones that keep you standing tall, steady, and injury-free. They're the foundation of every strong posture, every confident step, every pain-free morning. For those over 50, isometrics are especially powerful, low impact, joint-friendly, and effective anywhere, but only when done correctly. In this guide, I'll walk you through 5 elite isometric exercises designed to not just preserve your strength, but elevate it. And number 5, it's deceptively simple, but it could become your body's greatest ally. Exercise number 1, Bird Dog Hold. Here's something most people never hear after 50. You don't need motion to gain strength. You need control. The Bird Dog Hold looks simple. Extend one arm forward and the opposite leg back while keeping your body stable. But beneath that calm surface, you're activating some of the most essential and undertrained muscles in your body. Most workouts target the show muscles, biceps, quads, abs. But Bird Dog trains your deep stabilizers, the muscles that protect your spine, keep your posture upright, help you balance on uneven ground, and prevent falls and chronic pain. The surprise? You're not just working your body, you're training your brain. You're waking up your proprioception system, your body's sixth sense that tells you where you are in space. This system is one of the first to decline with age, leading to imbalance and loss of confidence. Bird Dog is like neuromuscular therapy you can do on your living room floor. Key muscles activated. Multifidus, tiny spinal muscles critical for back health. Transverse abdominis, your body's natural corset. Gluteus medius, essential for hip stability and knee protection. And shoulder stabilizers for posture and arm control. Start on all fours with hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Engage your core by gently pulling your belly button toward your spine. Extend your right arm forward and left leg straight back. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds, keeping hips level and breathing steady. Switch sides and repeat 3 times per side. Pro tip: place a small book on your lower back. If it stays balanced, your form is solid. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice better posture with reduced slouching, a stronger and more stable core and lower back, sharper balance and spatial awareness, and more confidence in daily movement. Bonus insight: studies show isometric holds like Bird Dog increase neural drive. Your brain sends stronger, faster signals to your muscles. That's not just strength, it's precision aging. If you want to build a strong body, start by mastering stillness. That's where real strength lives. Exercise 2, Warrior 2 Pose. There's a reason it's called the warrior pose. It's about presence, control, and grounded power, the kind that doesn't fade with age but deepens. Don't let the calm exterior fool you. Holding this pose is a full-body isometric workout that builds stability, mobility, and mental resilience, the trifecta of graceful aging. Most people think yoga is about flexibility or relaxation, but Warrior 2 is one of the most underrated strength moves available. It challenges your legs, hips, core, arms, and focus simultaneously. The game changer? When held isometrically, no flowing, no movement, Warrior Pose becomes incredibly effective for building lower body endurance, opening tight hips and chest, improving body alignment, and sharpening proprioception and balance. It's graceful on the outside, but your muscles will feel like they're in battle, and that's a good thing. This pose strengthens your quadriceps and hamstrings for leg strength and knee protection, hip abductors for pelvic control, and walking stability. Gluteus maximus for power and posture, core and obliques for full trunk stability, and shoulders and arms for static endurance and postural support. What makes this different from traditional lunges or squats? Isometric holding. You're not bouncing or lifting. You're owning the position. That teaches your muscles endurance, your joints alignment, and your brain concentration. Stand tall and step your right foot forward, left foot back about 3 to 4 feet apart. Bend your front knee so it stacks above your ankle, not beyond. Keep your back leg straight, foot angled slightly inward. Raise both arms to shoulder height, parallel to the ground, palms down. Gaze over your front hand with your spine long and shoulders relaxed. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Complete 2 to 3 rounds per side. Form tip. Imagine pressing your front heel into the ground while pulling your back foot toward you. This activates your inner thighs and glutes more deeply. You'll develop stronger legs for stairs, walking, and standing from chairs. Improved hip flexibility reduces stiffness and fall risk. You'll gain enhanced focus and breath control under physical tension, plus a deep sense of calm strength and presence. Clinical insight. Warrior pose has been shown in yoga therapy to reduce chronic knee pain and improve balance confidence in older adults. It's not just exercise, it's functional medicine in motion. You don't have to fight to be a warrior. Sometimes all you have to do is hold your ground. Exercise 3. Superman hold. Let's talk about something we all tend to ignore until it starts hurting. The back. Most people don't realize how much their quality of life depends on their posterior chain. The muscles running along the back of your body. From standing upright to lifting groceries to taking a confident step, your back is quietly doing the heavy lifting. After 50, as back pain, stiffness, and poor posture creep in, this one powerful isometric move can help turn things around. The Superman hold. A simple, no-equipment movement that targets the muscles that keep you tall, aligned, and pain-free. As we age, we naturally lose muscle tone, particularly in the back and glutes. Worse, we spend more time sitting, at the table, in the car, on the couch. This creates a dangerous combination: tight front muscles, chest and hips, and a weak posterior chain, glutes and spinal extensors. The result: rounded shoulders, hunched posture, low back pain, and poor balance. But here's the good news. The Superman hold reverses these imbalances by directly activating your postural support system. It's not about flying, it's about reclaiming your structure. You'll strengthen your erector spinae, runs along your spine, crucial for standing tall. Gluteus maximus, your main hip extensor, supports walking and lifting. Deltoids and upper back, helps open the chest and improve shoulder alignment. And hamstrings, work with glutes to protect your lower back. When held properly, this move trains these muscles to fire together, improving both posture and movement efficiency. Lie face down on a mat or soft surface. Extend your arms straight forward like Superman flying. At the same time, lift your arms, chest, and legs slightly off the floor. Squeeze your glutes and lower back muscles while keeping your neck neutral. Look down. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds, breathing steadily. Slowly lower back down and repeat for 3 sets. Pro tip: can't lift both arms and legs yet? No problem. Start with just the upper body or alternate arm and leg lifts. Progress at your own pace. You'll notice improved posture and spinal alignment, reduce lower back stiffness and discomfort, better balance and core stability, more energy from standing and moving upright with less fatigue, and increased confidence in your stride and stature. Surprising fact, studies have found that exercises like the Superman hold, when performed consistently, can reduce chronic back pain as effectively as medication, without side effects. Even just 90 seconds a day can change how your back feels, functions, and supports you. In a world that constantly pulls us forward, sometimes the strongest thing you can do is pull your shoulders back and rise. Exercise 4. Wall squat. Sometimes the strongest workouts don't involve heavy weights, high reps, or fancy machines. Sometimes all you need is a wall. The wall isometric squat is one of the most efficient, joint-friendly ways to build leg strength, core endurance, and lower body stability, especially for adults over 50. It's simple, safe, and surprisingly powerful. As we age, we lose muscle mass in the legs faster than anywhere else. This leads to difficulty climbing stairs, weakness when getting out of chairs, higher risk of falls, and loss of balance and independence. But here's the good news. The wall squat targets your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core all in one isometric hold, without putting pressure on your knees or spine like traditional squats sometimes do. It also enhances joint integrity by building strength at the angles where your body needs it most. In just one position, you're activating nearly every major muscle in the lower body, quadriceps to help you stand, walk, and control your knees, gluteus maximus for hip stability and posture, hamstrings to aid in balance and protect knees, core muscles to stabilize your spine and reduce back strain, and calves to assist with balance and upright posture. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet about 2 feet in front of you. Slide down slowly until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or as close as you can comfortably manage. Your knees should stack above the ankles, not past the toes. Press your lower back gently into the wall. Hold the position for 20 to 40 seconds, breathing steadily. Slide back up to stand, rest, and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Tip: if parallel is too hard, start with a higher angle and work your way down over time. Even a 30-degree bend builds strength. You'll feel stronger legs and better knee control, increased endurance for standing and walking, improved balance and joint alignment, boosted confidence in everyday movement, plus a gentle yet effective calorie burn. What's more, the wall gives you feedback. If your back lifts or shifts, you'll know instantly, helping you adjust your form in real time. Strength isn't about movement. Sometimes it's about how long you can hold steady under pressure. With this one simple exercise, you're rebuilding your foundation. Strong legs, stable joints, and the ability to move through life with confidence. Exercise 5, side plank with arm raise. If you've made it this far, you've already unlocked some of the most powerful isometric exercises in existence. But this one, the side plank with arm raise, is the crown jewel of core control. It's not just about holding yourself up. It's about mastering balance, strength, and control across the entire midsection, especially the muscles that protect your spine, align your posture, and prevent falls. The surprise? This movement activates more core muscles than traditional sit-ups or crunches, without any strain on your neck or lower back. By age 50, most people experience a natural decline in core strength, lateral, side-to-side stability, spinal alignment, and balance under asymmetrical loads like carrying groceries or reaching sideways. The side plank with arm raise targets all of these at once, and because it's an isometric hold, it does so without any sudden or risky movements. You'll feel it in your side body, your hips, your shoulders, and even your brain. That's because your nervous system has to coordinate balance, breath, and muscle activation at the same time. This is what we call functional strength. You'll engage your obliques, essential for twisting, balance, and spinal support. Transverse abdominis, your deepest core stabilizer. Quadratus lumborum, a key lower back muscle often linked to back pain. Glute medius, helps stabilize your pelvis. And shoulders and scapular stabilizers, control posture and upper body balance. Holding this position while raising your top arm adds a layer of rotational control, an advanced but highly valuable skill for real-world movement. Start by lying on your side with legs straight and elbow under your shoulder. Engage your core and lift your hips so your body forms a straight line from feet to head. Raise your top arm straight up, forming a T shape. Keep your hips lifted and body steady. Avoid leaning forward or backward. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Complete 2 to 3 rounds on each side. Beginner tip: you can modify by keeping your bottom knee on the ground for added support. You'll still get amazing core activation. You'll experience enhanced side body strength and spinal stability, improved balance and fall prevention, better posture and alignment, and increased core confidence for everyday tasks. Big surprise! Side planks have been shown in research to reduce chronic low back pain and even improve scoliosis symptoms when done regularly. That's the power of deep, targeted strength. This isn't just a core workout. It's a signal to your body that you're grounded, stable, and ready for life. Strong doesn't mean fast or flashy. Sometimes strength is quiet, focused, and deeply felt. That's what this move delivers. Let's pause for a moment and reflect on what these 5 exercises really represent. They're not flashy. They don't require equipment, speed, or noise. But don't mistake simplicity for weakness. Each isometric hold you've just learned is a quiet act of strength, a way to train your body to stabilize, support, and move with confidence again. And that's what matters most as we age. Because after 50, fitness isn't about chasing extremes. It's about preserving independence, reducing pain, moving with balance and ease, and feeling strong from the inside out. These 5 exercises, bird dog hold, warrior pose, Superman hold, wall squat, and side plank with arm raise, together form a complete foundation of core control, postural strength, and joint stability. They speak directly to the real challenges of aging bodies and provide solutions that are safe, effective, and sustainable. And here's the beautiful part. You can do all 5 in under 15 minutes a day. No gym, no pressure, just consistent, intentional movement. Start small. Stay consistent. Let your body reconnect with its strength. Getting older is inevitable, but how we move through life, that's a choice. Choose stability, choose confidence, choose strength you can build and feel at any age. This is just the beginning. You're not slowing down, you're just training smarter.